Good morning, everyone. Just leaving my guest house, getting ready to head out for the day. Our first stop's going to be at the Lava Museum, and then we're going to be getting on the famous ring road to go all the way around the perimeter of Iceland to see what all we can find. But hope you guys have enjoyed it to this point. No, I have, but I will check in with you when we get to the Lava Museum. Well, I just pulled into the Lava Center, and it appears that it is closed today, unfortunately, so it doesn't look like we'll be doing that, but fortunately there's plenty to do in Iceland, so on to the next stop. See you all there. Pulling up to an absolutely another amazing waterfall. I can't pronounce the name, sorry, but look at this. Seljalandsfoss. Best I can do. Look at that. Two other little waterfalls over there. I think this might be the only waterfall in Iceland that you can actually walk behind. So we definitely got to do that, but it's absolutely beautiful. Getting a little close now, it's starting to get very wet, but here's the path where you can walk behind the waterfall, but I'm gonna try it and see what it's like. Very, very cold. I don't know if you can still see. Very cold. I had to stop filming there for a second. The water was so cold, it was blowing all over me, but it's drier here, but look at that. Unbelievable. They got this little trail here. You can actually walk behind the waterfall, and that's what I'm going to attempt to do right now. This is just absolutely incredible. I know I keep saying that, but I never thought I would experience anything like this in my life. This is absolutely just incredible. I'm now completely behind the waterfall. First time in my life I've ever did this. But check this out. I'm going to head back to the car now and head to our next stop. Can't wait to see what's next. And here we are at another waterfall. I know you guys are probably getting tired of them, but they're just, every one is amazing. This is no different. This is Skagafoss. Let's go have a look. And like at every other stop, I'm here again at a major tourist spot by myself, no one else here with me. It's absolutely perfect time to be in Iceland. Look at this. The cool thing about Iceland is you can just be driving along and you'll just randomly see something like this on a bridge. No end to the beauty of Iceland. Right now we're heading to a plane crash, where a plane crashed out, to check it out. So I'll see you guys there. Just pulled into the parking lot of where you walk to see the site of a crashed U.S. military plane from a long time ago. But anyway, it's about a 40-minute walk across here. So it's time to get out the old Soviet soldier hat and the jacket to keep warm, because it's pretty chilly right here next to the Atlantic. So check in with you guys on the way over. Just read on the sign that it's a 4-mile walk across this barren wasteland of Iceland. So it's going to be absolutely nothing for me to talk about. So I will turn the camera back on when I get there. It's gonna be a fun walk. It's freezing cold, the wind's blowing. Just had to share a few thoughts as I was walking across this barren wasteland. Used to, you could drive to this, but now, because the landowner didn't like people driving on his land, you have to walk for 4 miles there, 4 miles back, 8-mile trip. The wind is like a freezer. It's freezing me to death, but please tell me what it would hurt for cars to drive here. It's nothing but rock. What could it possibly hurt? After a 4-mile walk across the barren black volcanic sands with freezing cold wind, we finally made it to the plane crash. It happened in 1973. It was a Douglas DC-3 American military craft. They were doing a supplying mission in eastern Iceland, and on the way back to Reykjavik they crashed, and all of them survived. But it's been here since 1973. But here it is. Added some nice graffiti. That's always nice. There's a look up inside. But there you have it. It's going to be a long 4-mile freezing cold walk back to the car, but see you guys at the next stop. Not sure what the place is called I'm at now, but I just pulled down a random road, but it's right here on the Atlantic. Just pulled into the black sand beach. Gonna go walk over and see what it's like. Check this out. Well, leaving the black sand beach, while I was filming, the ocean sent a giant wave unexpectedly into my feet. My shoes are soaked, my pants are soaked, so I'm heading back to my room tonight to put on some fresh clothes and dry it off, and then maybe check out the town and get some more footage for you guys. I don't know. See you soon. Just got changed into some dry clothes back here at my cottage where I'll be staying tonight here in the town of Vik, Iceland. But pretty worn out. Gonna call it a day. Hope you guys enjoyed everything, and I will see you tomorrow.